quickly.
Treasury Secretary nominee Timothy Guy know now that he did not pay back taxes.
Didn't make any Social Security or Medicare tax payments on his income during the years he worked for the International Monetary Fund.
Both Treasury Secretary Tim Geithner and Health and Human Services nominee Tom Daschle were delinquent in paying tens of thousands of dollars each in back taxes.
About $140,000 in back taxes and interest, and today his spokeswoman says Daschle will pay another $6,000 in taxes.
Another top appointee, Nancy Killefer, pulled her name from consideration as Chief White House Performance Officer because of unpaid taxes for a household employee.
The state of California says Al Franken, a.k.a. Stuart Smalley, owes thousands of dollars in back taxes.
Franken owes the state of California about $5,800 in fines for failing to file state taxes.
Our accountant made a mistake.
17 states to the tune of nearly $70,000.
Franken says it was a misunderstanding with his accountant.